cash, or if I had good general English knowledge, maybe. Well, I don't really have any of that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's time to get crazy. Come on, Dan. Yes, sir. Let's get crazy. It's time, everybody. It's time. We got it. Quick and easy, right? Quick and big victories incoming, everybody. Look at our wheel. Look at our shiny triples, 200s. Oh, buddy. Right, decision time, ladies and gentlemen. Pick one of these flappers, green, blue, yellow. As always, I'm going to go on yellow, right? Because my jacket's orange, but don't let me influence your decisions, okay? All right, here we go. Max multiplied, everybody. 200x. Come on. Let's get it. But why does everybody always pick blue, by the way? Good question. Like 48% of you picked it. Woo! Quick, green with the big guns. 200x green, 15x blue, 50 on yellow.
So, number 2, guys. Maybe winters in Canada are a little bit more cold. 4,438, so winners. Place the bet again. Let's spin it up. Last seconds. No more bets. Good luck, everybody. Here we go again. It is so snowy here right now. I see. Oh, actually, well, in Latvia right now we don't have snow. We did have snow yesterday, and today we have like none. That's so weird. Oh, look at that. Yes. Okay, we got the crazy time. Let's open the red door, guys. This should be good. Come with me. Hey. Welcome to the crazy town world, guys. Nice to see you here. Well, we have some very, very important decisions we have to make here. Well, which color are you choosing? Got yellow, got blue, got green. You choose. Guys, I wish every single one of you best of luck. And the highest multiplier we can get here is 100x. Here we go. A double on a green one. Hello. Well, let's double everything up for the green flapper. Yes, indeed. 200 days, the highest multi now. Ooh, good luck to you again. Welcome back, guys. 7,010 winners. Well, that was pretty fine. 200x on a green flapper, 15 on a blue, and 50 on the yellow one. All right, guys, the bets are close. Here we go. If you're new here, hey, once again, welcome to the crazy time.
There we have it, folks. We prefer Pachinko over coin flip, Neil Hassan. Well, I mean, it is more rare, so I guess technically kind of should be better, right? It's 5x on the cash-ins. In fact, 5x cash-ins, bam, we did it. It really is a cash-ins. It truly was a Shawshank Redemption. All right, welcome, guys. Cash-in time. What kind of multis are we going to have here? Can we get a 500? Now, 100x. Still, 100x, guys. Gonna get quintupled now. Yeah, put the 5x sauce on it. 500x now, guys. Plus, we got some 375s as well. Let's pull that lever. I mean, a lot of good stuff. Some 250s on the boards, some 125s, some 100s. So, I mean, no matter how you slice it, should be a good round for you, right? As long as you manage to actually make it in here. Let's see. And again, who said we're not spinning bonuses, all right? Now, you know, point proven. Has my point been made? The certain time's all yours, guys. Go ahead. You can, either choose your favorite spot, or if you don't trust yourself, you can just let the auto picker do it as well. Personally, I would go top middle, apple, if I had to choose. I mean, I would have gotten 50, it seems. There's the 500. All right, next to me here. Congratulations to all the winners, especially, of course, those of you who managed to catch that 500X. All right. OTB coin is high, Sanji, and of course all the other winners here. Nicely done. Over 9,000 winners once again. Keep it up, guys. There we go. 3x on Pachinko this time as well, guys. Good luck. And that'll be number 2. Ooh, nice. See some of you guys saying.
And I'm on a hound dog. Katse lielā kai slaimests. What's the biggest? Ooh. Woo! Ha ha! Woo! Bow, 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 bow. Crazy time, guys. We did 4 times. Very nice. When I say yeah, yeah, yeah. I say, hey, what's going on? Well, 4x crazy time is going on here. Nice, and we will have a choice. Try your best, guys. And, well, now we're gonna 4-time everything, so it's gonna be 800x somewhere there on this. Oh, no, 400x on this wheel, yeah. Very nice. And you will have a choice. Yellow. Which one to go for? Well, that's for you to decide. And of course, auto is gonna happen if you're not gonna make in the right time. No worries, you were gonna get something. Are you ready? Last seconds, guys, before we start to spin. So here we go. 400x, obviously double would be fantastic. Let's go. We have a double. We have a 200x green, 40 blue. Okay, and we have a double trouble for yellow, my dear people. So 800x, guys. Can we get that? Or maybe another double? Let's find out. I'm gonna wish you all the best. It's gonna be 120. All right, green are the best this time. 200x for you. Ricky got the biggest win. Then there is Amir, JKHG, and everyone else. Really nice. Enjoy, guys. Blue, hopefully next time we're gonna hit big one as well for you. And maybe we don't need to wait for long for that, you know? And maybe we're gonna say, wow, this is amazing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Betting time, autoplay, check statistic, welcome.
I don't know. I don't have like a favorite map. I'm trying to play as many different maps as possible, you know? Number 5 right there, by the way. So that's why I'm so annoyed playing the same map over and over. Every time when I go premiere and everyone is always playing Mirage and Dust, Mirage and Dust. And I'm like, please pick some other maps than these 2 maps. And when you finally pick like an Ancient or Anubis, someone like, or 2 people in the chat like, I'm like, just play the game. 4x Cashin, by the way. Just play the game, you know? I don't like Ancient. It's the same as, you know, like Dust 2, only you are in Amazon jungles. 4x cash hunt. Oh! 2000x. That's the highest multiplier, ladies and gentlemen. It's the highest multiplier of the day. the highest multiplier of the day is the 2000x. Who's gonna be the lucky one? Well, I hope every single one of you. Imagine every single one of you. 2000x. Every single person going with the same segment. All right, do remember that the symbol's not relevant to the multipliers you saw a little while ago, covering up them. And as well, if you're not gonna pick the symbol, well, the game is gonna go with the auto pick for you. So you pick a symbol or let the game pick for you. So, yeah. Right there, bad boy. Right there with the 2KX. 2K. 7,001 winning the round. No idea how many with the 2,000. But well, there you go. There.
Okay. 823 winners. Edge, the man with the largest wins of that round. Oh, you just want a bigger view of the game, yeah. True. Yay, we did it, guys. And that's a 4x, by the way, guys. Crazy time with a 4x multiplier. All right, let's get it. Max multi is 800x. Good luck to everybody. Let's get those doubles, baby. Wow. Blue just said, you know, hold my drink. 800x. 800x on the blue. That was very, very just straight to the point. No doubles, nothing, just straight to the point. 800x. No build up, nothing, just wow. Oh, something.